Hello and welcome to the Crypto Jungle channel. Today is June 12th, and today we will take a look at what happened to Bitcoin in the cryptocurrency market in the last 24 hours. So let's take a look. The Bitcoin price fell as expected and picked up some fresh bottom liquidity, so we can just wipe out that liquidity. We can see that the RSI has also fallen sharply and is at the bottom of its range. We still haven't managed to get into this bullish bet, so we'll have to wait a little longer. At this time, we can look at where we could place a mini bet. It's best to place it on the nearest fresh liquidity right here. So let's just put it here. We can set the stop loss a little above the next liquidity below, which is somewhere around 1%. We set the target based on the 4-to-1 ratio, so somewhere around 4%. Just like that here. Profits are then collected in 4 parts. The first one can be set to somewhere around 1%, the same as the stop loss. The second is somewhere at a multiple of 2, somewhere at 2%. The third at a multiple of 3 at 3%. And the main target, which we already have set at a multiple of 4 at 4%. So the idea is set, now we just have to wait and see how the price of Bitcoin behaves. In the meantime, we can take a look at what Peter Brandt has to say about Bitcoin. He says that a correction of more than 75% in Bitcoin is currently very unlikely, as it was in 2021, when the price fell by as much as 76% in 12 months. At that time, the price first reached a record value of over $69,000 and then fell to just over $16,000 in 12 months. He says that the main difference is in the macroeconomic conditions. In 2021, we had an event with the collapse of the FTX exchange, rising interest rates, and later COVID. Now interest rates are falling and sentiment is not yet in the euphoria that this would be the top of this cycle. Michael Saylor also has a similar opinion, so I think we don't have to worry about the current situation. Okay, we're at the end of today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you have an opinion or question, just write it in the comments. If you like this short daily analysis, subscribe to the channel and like this video. And see you soon!